Remember, don't start investing without these 4 steps.
What? What the?
4. Hi, I'm Selena and Mr. Milk, and you are in Investify. Unleashing the power of leverage. A beginner's guide to amplified investing. Ever wonder how small players make big splashes in the investing world? Imagine unlocking a tool that can significantly boost your investment potential, catapulting your financial growth. Welcome to the high-stakes world of leverage, where your investment returns can soar or plummet. Let's embark on a journey to demystify leverage and discover how it can be a game changer in your investment strategy. Introduction to the concept of leverage. Start with a simple analogy to explain leverage. Think of leverage like using a lever to lift a heavy object. The lever allows you to lift much more than your own strength would permit. In the financial world, leverage works similarly by allowing you to control a large investment with relatively small amount of money. Define leverage products and their role in financial market, emphasizing how they allow investors to amplify their exposures and potential returns from market movements. Number 2. The mechanics of leverage. Break down how leverage is used by various financial instruments, including stocks, options, or futures. Use simple, relatable examples. Imagine you have a $100 and you use leverage to control $1,000 worth of stocks. If the stocks increase by 10%, your profit is not just $10, which would be 10% of your $100, but $100, which is 10% of the $1,000 you control. Highlight the risk and rewards, explaining the potential for higher profit and the danger of amplified losses. Exploring leverage product. Detail the type of leverage product available to investors, like margin trading, options, futures, and leverage ETFs, giving a brief overview of each. Discuss the appeal of this product to different types of investors and the importance of understanding their unique risk. Thank you. I need it. Real-world applications and risk. Share a simplified real-world scenario of an investor using leverage in the stock market, outlining both a positive outcome, market moves favorably, and a negative outcome, market moves against them. Stress the critical need for risk management strategies and the importance of not over-leveraging. So to finalize, what do you want now? No. To finalize, guys, wrap up with key takeaways on leverage. Emphasizing cautious optimism. This is the next part. Now that we have unlocked the secret of leverage, are you ready to dive deeper into the investment pool? Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will explore mutual funds, ETFs, and the intriguing world of CFDs. This journey is just beginning.
We are Investify and follow us for more. Invest Inside.